Hi everyone, I thought I would make a little bit of ephemera today, so I'm just making these cute little writing spot on the back, or you can add something extra in here, a bit of writing spot here, with just pretty little things to put into pockets. I'm celebrating today my 5-year cancer free, so I thought I'd make something nice and bright and colourful. And this is quite an easy and simple thing. With this one, obviously, I've used a bit of material that's got all of the beautiful lace work around the edge. This one has got it just up the top. Let me see, I've got others. This one's just down the side. I'm liking that one today. Oh, that's pretty. I'm liking that too. However, that's what I'm doing today, this one. So I'm just going to get a bit of glue on that. So I hope everyone's having a lovely day. It's really beautiful here in Melbourne today. It's sunshine. And we have got a week that is a bit more like early summer than late winter. Very beautiful. So what I've done, this is a bit wider than this one. I've got a punch that has a nice sort of flowery edge, and I've just come in. Now I'm checking that I've got it covering the back, because we want to see our little swatchy bit behind it. I love that. I love just being able to see that swatch behind there. Now the other thing I have done, so I'm going to mass make a few of these. That's because this is a bit wider, I might have had these ready made, but that's okay. We'll let me get a glue book. Actually, I want to keep that page for something else. Just nice and simple. Simple but effective. Now I think maybe I wouldn't mind a little bit of text or something. Something antique-y. This is a very old French children's book. Just slot in, so it doesn't have to be exactly the same, of course. You can just slot this in under here. And on this side, similar. These little tiny bits of swatchy things are they're just beautiful. They're just such a nice little effect. So I think I swatched this originally on a bit of ledger paper, and I don't have at hand any of this paper, but we can use something like this that's got a bit of text on it. We can also use this as a highlighter. I think I'd like to use little bit of this. Just move this out the way. And that one. This way, this one will have a bit of writing area if there's only just a little bit of type around the edges, like so. It's already quite effective. And on this one, oh yeah, it's a similar depth. I can see I've ended up putting this paper over to cover the back of the stitching. Didn't do that today. That's all right. I've got my little pot of colours. These little, I don't know what they are, ceramic-y sort of thing, ceramic tiles. The other day I used one of these on an eye on a bird. So today, just seeing these ones, they're nice and like colourful. Maybe those go. I used 5 on the last one, and I used 2 yellow, 1 orange, 1 tan and 1 sort of off-white. And you don't have to do them always the same way. But maybe a bit of cream or something, or a sort of a light apricot. A bit fiddly. There's a I like that combination. All right, let's put this away. And I've got a needle here that's got white thread. I think that'll work. Now I'm thinking I'll have a knot at this end. So the knot is just at the end there, and where we start with green, and I'm going to come in a line, so I'm trying to keep them straight here. And putting a hole on this side so I know where I want this one to come through. I'm just going to come back through the center of that one and back up through that hole I just made. Just use one of these off-white or cream. And the same, put a hole on this side, come through where the hole is and secure that one down. Back through that hole. And I'm going to use this multicolour one in the middle. Adds a little bit of pink to the page, which is nice. And I want a hole on that side. Come back up. And up through the hole on that other side. And now do I want to make it symmetrical or not? Or do I want to make it that's symmetrical? That was sequential. I think I like it symmetrical rather than sequential. I don't know why. It's moving uphill a little bit, I can see. Put the needle through back. Secure this one down through the center. Back up through that side, down through the center, put a hole on that side, come back up through here, now I'm going to come up just a bit further out, because if I try to do a knot right at that hole, it could very well unravel the whole thing. Okay, just want to snip that off close. So there's a knot at either end, which is holding either end of the thing down. I love it. Love them. They're just so simple, so easy, and so pretty. Let me get this. A bit different because of the width. I quite like the thinner one, and I like that there's more lace, so I'm actually thinking I might add some more to this. But also you could, if you're putting this in a junk journal that's going off for sale somewhere, people can put their own bits of lace in. Okay, so just a simple little embellishment to add to your junk journal. I am considering that as they're a little bit wider, it's almost like it just needs just something a little bit different. Like something like that there. Just something to pretty it up a bit more, because I think they're actually very pretty. It's like, this could even be used as a card to a friend. Put your message here. Now, I'm thinking of something on here. See if I can find something small that matches the colours. I know I had some little birds. These are tiny little birds. They might not match the style though. Oh, they're cute. Here's one that's got that actual green on. I'm not sure, just let me have a look. That green matches and the brown match on that bird. Oh, so cute, very cute. Okay, oh, how adorable. So that was a little short bit of ephemera making out of some of our swatch scraps and even coffee stained scraps and some of the little ceramic beads. Okay, so that's just my little tiny bit of ephemera making on a beautiful sunny day when I'm celebrating my 5 years cancer free. So that's my cute little ephemera tuck spot booklets, and I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for coming along for the journey, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.